Hi guys, I am so excited because today I'm going to be putting up all my Christmas decorations. I can't wait. So my plan is to put the tree up here and put any decorations that I have up here, and then anything that doesn't really suit up here, or if it's too much, I do want to put some downstairs. So I'm really excited because I'm going to be starting my Christmas content, and I've been really wanting to do this. At my parents' house and at my boyfriend's house, I always had a Christmas tree that I would put up because of how much I loved Christmas. So I'm just so excited to be finally putting up a Christmas tree in my own home. I can't wait. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video of seeing me decorate. There's going to be lots of TikToks and Reels, so make sure to go check out my social media, and Christmas content is starting soon, so I'm really excited for that. And let's get into this. I can't wait. We hit a little snag with the tree. I can't find the base. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually go through all my Christmas decorations and ornaments and see what I want for this year, and if there's any things that I can use for like crafts or DIYs and anything that I can pass on, I will. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna wait for a base or either go get one. So I'm just so sad because I really wanted to do the tree. I took it out and everything, and Scarlett is sleeping on the couch. I gotta show you this. I always wonder what she does when we are gone. And apparently, she does this. This here I won, actually. A girl had made it, but I don't think it's gonna fit my theme. It's not gray, it's not white. I think my sister would like this, so I'm gonna see if she wants it and pass it along to her. It's really nice. You can like write down the days till Christmas. It's just, it's not my theme, unfortunately. So I'm gonna pass this on. Oh yeah, this one. I actually last year got a reindeer for me, a reindeer for Owen, and this was Owen's reindeer. Okay, so here's what I have so far. I'm not sure about the greens and I'm not sure about the reds, but these ones I do really like, so I put them in here. This is going to be everything on my tree. I still have this guy. Every single year I like to go, oh, he's missing a leg. Oh no. His leg is in here, but every year I like to go and get myself a different ornament. And I actually called this guy Chester, and I bought him from a local like Christmas shop, so I really like him, so I always put him up on the tree. Here actually, this is from my cousin, and then this one was actually from when we went to Niagara Falls last year. So this year I think I'm actually going to buy us some marbled ornaments to put on the tree. I want to get 3, one for me, one for Scarlett, one for Owen, but for right now this is kind of the theme. Not sure about the greens, not sure about the pure reds. I'm more into like these like mulberry and rose gold type of ornaments, but we'll see. We'll make it work and go from there. It is, I think, 5 days later. Here's the funny story. We didn't have our tree stand. That's because we didn't have our tree. When we moved from Owen's parents' house to our house, we took their tree. So then we had to wait to exchange trees. So now this one is our tree. So we put the tree up. As you can see, I need to kind of spread it out and then put some decorations on it. There's going to be different clips from different days, but it's going to be fun, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting to do this for so long. So let's decorate the tree. So the tree is all done and decorated, which I'm really excited. There's still a few ornaments that I want to go out and get. And I may get a tree topper, but for right now, the tree is done. I want to put these two up. This was my grandpa's, so I want to put this one up. And then this one was actually Owen's. It says his name on it, so I want to put these two up. So I need to get two like hooks. But for right now, I'm going to put all the presents that I have wrapped under the tree. So I have about 3 more gifts and then whatever Owen's got to put under the tree, but yeah. I also decided to like reuse some boxes. Like this one here is a nice FabFitFun box. This is a nice bag from like a spa that we went to. Okay, so it's a few days after I filmed a bunch of those clips. So what I wanted to show you is I actually went out and got some stocking hooks for the stocking. So right here, I actually tried to use double-sided tape, but it didn't work. So I hung up my grandpa's stocking. And then here's Owen's stocking that I hung up. So I put them right between the tree, which I think is nice. I put my little 2 stuffies over here. I think they're just so cute, so I wanted to keep them out. And then in my dining room, I have these candles here that say Noel. I think these are really cute on my Lazy Susan. So my mom actually got me a really nice like reindeer to put on my nook, so I put that there. And I also have a snow globe from Owen's mom, so I ended up putting that in my dining room. And up there is a nice bell that my mom also got me. That is going to wrap up today's video. I am so happy that all my Christmas stuff is up, and I'm really just happy and so excited that I was able to share this with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you ended up decorating for Christmas yet, or when you will be decorating for Christmas, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.